Hey everyone, welcome to RGB Web Tech, where we simplify tech for you. Artificial intelligence, AI, is commonly categorized in two main ways, by capability and by function. Each perspective helps explain how advanced an AI system is and what it is designed to do. Types of AI by capability. Narrow AI, weak AI. 1. The most common form of AI today. 2. Designed to perform a specific task, such as facial recognition, language translation, or recommendation systems. 3. It cannot think or operate beyond its programmed purpose. General AI, strong AI. 1. A theoretical form of AI that would match human intelligence. 2. Could understand, learn, and apply knowledge across any task. 3. Does not yet exist. Superintelligent AI. 1. A hypothetical AI that surpasses human intelligence in all aspects: creativity, problem-solving, and emotional understanding. 2. Often discussed in ethics and future technology debates, not currently real. Types of AI by function. Reactive machines. 1. Basic AI that reacts to current situations without memory. 2. Example: early chess-playing systems, limited memory, so 1. Most modern AI. 2. Can learn from past data to improve decisions, e.g. self-driving car systems. Theory of mind, emerging concept. 1. AI with the ability to understand emotions, beliefs, and human intentions. 2. Still in research. Self-aware AI. 1. A futuristic concept where AI would have consciousness and self-awareness. 2. Entirely theoretical. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, leave a comment with your question, and do not forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, and take care.